Hi, this is Tim with Kaizink with a quick improvement video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to calculate KPI numbers out of ONYX. Previously, this was being done on a handheld calculator, so to speed it up, I'm going to show you how to do it in Google Sheets. So we start by, in ONYX, going to File, and we want to View Printed Job Log. It pulls up all the data that's in there. We're going to sort it by date so we get the most recent jobs at the top. And you can see here the date printed, 6/15, the square footage. This is what we're looking to calculate. So we're going to save as a CSV file. So you want to make sure you drop it down. You'll see here a CSV pulled up when I did that. We've got just a file on the desktop that we're going to continue to overwrite each day. It's called test CSV. So we can save that. And now we're moving into Google Sheets. So from Sheets, you're going to open up a new spreadsheet. And we're going to get our data in here by opening and uploading and browsing for our desktop. And there is our file, test CSV. Alright, so here's our data. Now, in order to calculate this, we need to do one more step, which is separating the square foot from the actual number. Because if you highlight this, you cannot calculate because of the letters in that field. So we're going to highlight all of column H, and we're going to go to Data, Split Text to Columns. Down here, it shows you the separator, and if you click on that, detect automatically, and hit space, there you go. It separates out your numbers from the square foot. Now, all we need to do in order to calculate our data is find the last job down here on the 15th, highlight that, go up to the top, and if you look down here on the right hand side of Sheets, you'll see that the sum was 176.546 square feet printed yesterday. Thank you, and have a great day. Nice. Cool.
Right, so then